Everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at what the hell just happened. We're going to look at Bitcoin, the drop across all of crypto right now. Damage report update. Is it significant or is it just a breeze and flowers in disguise? All right, Jesus. Bitcoin on the daily chart. What have we done? Well, let's look at this. It's a candle. But is it anything big? Have we done it before? Is it significant to the downside? Is it just another stepping stone towards the 100K path? I think the latter. Let's look at the facts in the charts and see what we've done. Well, we wicked down to our 100-day EMA. Have we done that before? Well, let's go back and look. Look right back here, right before big takeoff. Our final shakeout, really? Yeah, look at it. We worked down just under the 100-day EMA, and then we just hung out around here for a few more days, right? Even several more weeks, just slowly grind up before getting back above the 21-day EMA, and then face melts, right? So we even came down and almost got to the 200. So nothing abnormal yet. We want to watch for daily closes and not pay attention so much to the wicks, the intraday stuff, right? So far, so good. According to our moving averages, according to this chart, nothing concerning just yet. Let's look at what else we got. The 5-day Gaussian channel for Bitcoin. Well, we made it out of it, and now we're dipping our toe back in. Are we going to close this candle? Well, this closes in less than 8 hours. So let's watch this. We want to close above this top line, 47,873 right now. Let's see what we do if we close above that and we close out of the channel. Good news, good to go. We want to look at this a little bit more in depth if we do in fact close in here. So we'll take this one step at a time, but we do close this 5-day candle today at close of business. Okay, we're gonna take a look. Okay, going to the weekly time frame. What have we done? We just tested our Bitcoin bull market support band. Have we done that before? Well, yeah. Look, we just wicked off of it. We went all the way down to just under 43K, and now we're back up. Have we done that before? Yeah. Look back here. Came back down. Before what? Before our big move. Usually you're going to have one final shakeout. I'm not saying we go immediately out from this or that we're even doing that. But possibility is we held this. This is our test. Are we going to hold it for several more weeks? Well, hopefully, yeah. If we do, if we come back down and we just hold this and just hang out around here, 45 to 50K and just range here for a few more weeks, this would be very similar rhyming with this move. And then if you see us starting to pull back away after holding this and do something similar to this, you can expect something similar to this. Okay, this is what we need to look for. These are par for the course, perfectly normal. Don't get discouraged in this kind of stuff. Daily candles, weekly candles, the closings are what you need to pay attention to. So far, so good. Are we back in here and just testing and doing this? Are we in this kind of move? Or are we like right here and getting ready to do this? We will see. We'll take it day by day, look at the charts. But so far, still nothing bad. Okay, let's look at another chart. How about our daily golden cross, death cross? That's what these are. This is the 50, excuse my voice, the 50-day simple moving average and the 200-day simple moving average. Our golden cross is almost near, but what about this candle? Can we still get a golden cross? Of course. Let's go back again and look at history. Let's take a look. Well, death cross, golden cross, death cross, golden cross. We can get fake outs, sure. But look what just happened right before we got our golden cross, our final golden cross before going up for the next several months, right? Look at this. Crossed above, get real bullish, everyone loving it, only up, right? When you get the Twitters, everyone's speaking of only up and, you know, sky's the limit. Yeah, reality check, way back down to the 200-day simple moving average. Look what just happened. Right before a golden cross, reality check back down to the 200 moving average. Just exactly like this move back here. Right before the golden cross. Right before a golden cross. It's likely we're still going to get the golden cross. Are we in this move? So far, it looks pretty dang similar. A rally up, reality check back to the 200-day, continue on sideways a little bit, right? This would be great for alts. If we could still do this and just go sideways while Bitcoin still remains bullish, alts can still run, right? Don't let these little scam wicks whales scare you. So far, that's all of this is. Let's go look at another chart. How about the Bollinger Bands? Well, this is a 3-day chart on the Bollinger Bands. Bullish, mouth open, right? We're closing. This isn't as bullish as we'd like to see, but look, the important part of this chart is the wick went right to the median line support band. So far, so good. How about on the weekly? Let's go look at the weekly. Break above the median. So far, so good. Wick down to the median again on a weekly chart. Look at the mouth. It looks to me like it's primed to rip back the other way, right? Look, you could, if we get another green candle on a weekly sometime in the not so distant future, this mouth could open and we could be off to the races. Let's look at one final chart. Bitcoin, BLX, going back in history. We're going way back here. 2011. My point in this chart is after you break all-time highs on a monthly scale, each candle is a month. So look at the breakouts, right? Way back here when Bitcoin was $15. Breakout above that previous all-time high and you rocket ship. Look at this. The next level, 2013, 2014. This looks very similar to what we're in now, doesn't it? Look at right now. Okay, when you break previous all-time high, rocket ship. New all-time high. Consolidation. Break that. Look at the levels here. Rocket ships. Consolidation. When you break previous all-time high, it was not 20K. That wasn't what we were waiting on. It's 14K. Look at the rocket ship. After monthly closing, monthly candles. It's not 65K we're waiting on. No, we don't have to make all-time highs. This candle right here, 58.8. If we close a monthly candle above 58.8 for Bitcoin, rocket ships. Historic, we have 10 years of data almost here. This will happen again, based on charts and facts. Unarguably, anytime, historically speaking, Bitcoin is broken, it's monthly candle close, rocket ships. What do you think is going to happen? Look at this. Facts and charts don't lie. You can call it hopium. It's not. I mean, we can have hopium as long as they're based on facts, right? You can't have hopium based on thin air and clouds. And I think Bitcoin's going to $3 million tomorrow, right? There's some people that maybe believe that. No, we don't know where Bitcoin's going, but odds are based on this chart, once we break 58K with a monthly candle, rocket ships, 10 years of data do not lie. Any chart, any coin, stock market included, you break big time frame candles, rocket ships. Look at it. I mean, we're 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4. Soon to be 5 for 5. How about our crypto fear and greed index? I'm glad you asked. Right now we're at 79. Now with this pullback that we've just recently had, it's highly likely we're going down tomorrow. We'll see where it goes. We don't know. We have to wait for the daily close. We still have almost 8 hours until we get a daily close. So prices could even be, that could have been a flash wick. We don't know yet. We'll have to see where we update, but we want to stay somewhere between, above 70. That's kind of our ground. And, 80, right? Above 80, below 70. Those are the levels we're watching to break out of before we know what to look for next. Okay, quote of the day. William Shakespeare, good guy. It's not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. Great. Now, crypto meme of the day. Stop spending all our money on Bitcoin. She's punching him. It's terrible. 3 years later, on a yacht. Maybe some of you all relate to this. Hopefully you don't have a spousal that's abusive. If you're spending all the money, maybe. Car of the day, Koenigsegg Agera RS. Amazing doors. Probably the best doors in the industry. I love them. They like spin out and up. Blue, love it. Carbon, the whole car's carbon. Sick. Another angle. How about yellow? I like yellow. The wheels are even carbon fiber. Did you know that? Those wheels are like lightest in the industry. Sick. How about orange? Let's do that. This is the XS. Still the Agera. A little bit different trims. Open roof. All carbon. This is all carbon. Super quick. Koenigsegg. 3 to 4 million depending on your spec. You could have, $1 million in options on one of these. Pretty ridiculous. All right. Hopefully that helped you on Bitcoin. Ease your mind a little bit. Take it off. Go on to Koenigsegg and ease your mind. Okay. Flowers and daisies in a $3 million car. You forget a lot of your problems. I don't know. Have a good one. I have another video I made earlier before the drop on Harmony. Should I release it or not? Let me know in the comments. It's before the drop. So I made the video. Everything's good. I exit the video an hour and a half later after I've done everything, and I'm refreshing my chart because I don't understand what the prices are doing. I look on the right and not computing. 20% down. What do you mean? So that's how fast things can change. But that's crypto for you. So I'll probably release it. I'll get 87 thumbs down because it's obviously the prices aren't correct now. But we'll see. We'll see how we close. If we go up a little bit, I'll release it. Harmony 1, I did a whole big video on it. It'll probably still help you, but the prices are 20% higher than they are now. Hopefully you have a good one. Let me know. I don't know. Let me know anything. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.